अबकारी परवान्याक लागून चालू आशिल्ली वादग्रस्त सिली सोल्साची केस 13 ऑक्टोबर मेरेन तहकूब केल्या अशी माहिती आदवोगाद आयरिश रोड्रिग्जान दिली। तशेंच चौकशे दरम्यान मुखार आयिल्ल्यो गजाली पळयत जाल्यार रेस्टॉरंटाचो परवानो तात्पुरतो स्थगीत दवरचे परस परवानो रद्द करचो अशी मागणी आयरिशान ह्या वेळार केल्या। हाचे पयलीं आयरिशाक अंडर आरटीआय मेळिल्ल्या म्हायती प्रमाण तातूंत सिली सोल्साचो एफडीएन दिल्लो परवानो ज्या कंपनीच्या नांवार आसा त्या कंपनीचो चेअरमॅन स्मृती इराणीचो घोव जुबिन इराणी आशिल्ल्याचे उक्ताडार आयला।
Today was the date fixed for the reply of the complainant to the replies that we had filed. The counter reply. This counter reply came to be filed today. The complainant also explained to the authority the nature of his reply and highlighted a few aspects to that. But since the matter was posted only for reply, no arguments were heard today, and the matter is now posted for final arguments on the 13th of October at 11 a.m. on which date the arguments would be advanced based on the documents relied upon by the parties and based on the submissions that have been already been made by the parties in the complaint and in the replies.
The end of my reply, besides, because this license, now there is no question of suspending the license, because after all these facts have come to light, this license needs to be cancelled outright. But I have in my reply also sought that criminal proceedings need to be initiated against all those who have been responsible for falsifying, suppressing information and taking the excise department for a ride. I have also pointed out that with the excise application there was no restaurant license which is mandatory. I pointed out to the excise commissioner today that the citizens charter of the excise department makes it very clear that there is need of a restaurant license to be produced when you apply for an excise license. So that was also not done. The two affidavits submitted by Anthony Ligama along with his application were also not notarized. So all this was done in a hurry, and I have stated in my reply today that Anthony Gama and his agents have done all this in January 2021, trying to take advantage of the pandemic and the lockdown that was then in effect. So they thought they could take things for a ride, but unfortunately the Right to Information Act has caught up with them, and today the whole truth is out.